Hello, welcome to Everything Foodie. Today I'll be showing you how to wash your cow tongue. Here we've got the cow tongue that we'll be washing that I'll be using this cow tongue to show you guys how to clean your cow tongue before using it to cook anything. You see all these whitish stuffs, all these dirt. We are going to remove all of this today. So stay tuned. Yeah, I've placed it in the pot, and at this moment I'll be adding hot water, okay, hot water, and I will allow it to cook. When it starts boiling, I'm not going to cook it for a long time, just 5-10 minutes. Once it start boiling, okay, you see that. Once it start boiling, you can notice all the white stuffs that are supposed to go out. They are all as if they've separated themselves from the meat. Okay, you can see, and if you don't know, you will just slice everything and start eating it, okay, with all the dates and all that. Okay, so today I'll be showing you how to wash it off. Okay, all these white stuffs, we are going to remove them, and don't forget to subscribe and share our video with everyone. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. Just enjoy all the stuffs we have in this channel. Yeah, you can see the skin is just coming out at ease. All right, I'm going to be working with my hands and with a knife, and when you're working with a knife, please make sure you don't injure yourself. Be careful, you keep scraping it, take off all those white stuffs. We don't need it. We don't need to eat this, okay? Just like you clean your tongue when you're brushing your teeth. Yeah, we need to clean this tongue right now before using it to cook. Yeah, thanks, guy. Keep watching. And here I went ahead to add it back to the water I used to cook it in the first place. I left it there for some time for all these white ones to soften so that I can scrape it. Okay, yeah, I just did that for a few minutes, and I brought it out to clean it, to give it the final cleaning. And at this point, it was a little bit easy for me to remove all of them. Okay. here I went ahead to add it to a hot water. Okay, this is a hot water, trying to make sure that all the white stuffs are out. Okay, they is remaining just tiny ones to make sure everything is out. If you look closely to the water, you will see some of the white stuffs in there. Okay guys, here you can see the small white stuff that are still coming out. So that is the final cleaning, the final touching. Okay, so next time you get your cow tongue, make sure you clean it well before you use it. Okay, and this is the final look. Look at how clean it is now. We love food and we need to eat healthy food, healthy and clean food. That's what needs to get into our system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in my next one. Okay, take care of yourself, subscribe and share our videos. Remain blessed.